Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial about the YouTube Ads tool. What exactly can you do with it? Say that you run Google AdWords campaigns for yourself or your client and you want to display your ads on YouTube videos. So you either roll up your sleeves and spend hours on selecting your targeted keywords, niche, demographics and so on to start the campaign. Still, you will not know where your ads are showing until the first report. What if your content is displayed on videos where its creators talk shit about every product within, or even name your product as the one they would not recommend for whatever reasons, but their videos will match to your campaign because of related keywords? Yeah, a bugger. Or you can use ViralStat ads tool that you'll quickly learn is a pure savage here. It performs that painful and time-consuming research for you to monetize videos by any industry-relevant keywords and finds best matching placements for your ad, and at the same time filters out the results that would not bring you any favor. I'll show you how. Once you're on the tools page, you can see that you can perform the video search and the channel search. In the video search module, you can search for videos by any keyword related to the industry of your interest. Find related videos to the video of which URL you insert here, or search for all videos from any channel that you'll paste the URL address just here. Furthermore, in all cases, you can decide to search for the monetized videos only, so those exactly where you can place your ad onto. Let's start with keyword search. In the field here, you can insert any keyword related to the industry of your interest, but also your competitor's brand name or a product name, so you can find all of his monetized or influencers paid partnerships videos and then place your ad right in front of that content. That seems quite cheeky, but could you think of more attractive placements for your product than directly in front of most targeted audiences' eyes? Yeah. Okay, I'll go with the Spanish lessons. Say I want to advertise my new product, a fast track on my Spanish learning courses, and so I'm looking for related videos that I can place my ad on. In the advanced option here, you can easily exclude search results containing negative keyword, like your own brand's product name, so you won't extract unmonetized or already sponsored videos, for example. Sort videos by relevance, upload time, rating, view count or title. Then category, language from the drop-down list, duration, definition and license. And even by requested upload time here. Apply your filters, choose how many items you want to pull from YouTube search results, and hit the search button. The main reason to advertise is to attract positive and engage audience, and display your ads on matching content only, rather than just spend money on unrelated placements, right? Okay, there. The list with monetized videos of requested settings appears in seconds. Now I can further sort the list by factors such as from most to least viewed, read high traffic, liked, so nothing else than positive interaction, commented, indicates high engagement, or even by likes to dislikes ratio, again positive audience interaction, and a few more. From now you can watch any of the videos and make sure that its content suits your needs. Or go directly to watch them on YouTube to verify if they're still getting good traffic. An advert on this one is on, in fact, as you can see. Before you export the list of placement and paste it to the AdWords campaign, you can monitor these ongoing videos' performance in a specially created folder, and so you can verify if they are still getting good engagement or are rather dead. So save the list for your further campaigns here, or export the whole list, or only selected items, into the CSV file, where you'll be able to extract all of the URLs at once and paste directly into your AdWords campaign settings. Open your saved file, copy all the URLs, and then paste as YouTube video placements. Can't get any easier than that. Well, now, video search. Say that you've chosen a particular video and you want to search for related content, for example, to display your ads on. I'll take the link from one of the videos from the previous search, say this one here, as it has all the factors I'm looking for in my planned campaign. So again, copy and paste the URL address of your desired video. Define the country of YouTube search ranks, if wanted. Choose how many results you want to pull into that search and hit the search button. Bear in mind that in the country search here, ViralStat brings the results from the Find Countries YouTube search results, not only videos of specified country creators. If you're looking for videos you want to display your ad on, then select the Monetized Video search button and ViralStat will pull only the videos that have monetization enabled. There. You know that advertising on YouTube, Facebook and the rest of leading social platforms is very effective, providing you do it right. If you don't target your audience correctly, you're simply throwing your budget out of the window. That's a harsh truth. You either learn before you even start to advertise, or right after any of your paid advertising campaign backfired. Okay, so we have our list. Define the source of your request. Check videos if needed, and choose which videos you want to export or add to your folder for further use. This is how you keep your brand name safe and expose your ads to the right people by laser targeting your placements. Okay, let's move on to the search for videos on channel. You think of the channel you want to advertise on, for example niche experts tutorials or your competitors' channels, but you're not sure if you're even allowed to place your content there. Instead of flying blind and just targeting the whole channel as the placement for your ads, not knowing what results to expect really, what do? Just drop the link to the channel of your choice in the search field here and pull the list of all of its videos, or only those that have monetization enabled. That's all it takes. And instead of targeting all monetized channels' videos, select those you find most favorable in your own opinion and bid your money on the most relevant placements only. Ads tool will not only save you hours searching for your niche-related YouTube videos with monetization enabled, and then so you can place your ads on highly relevant content. It also allows you to filter out videos with positive engagement only, and so you can be sure that your ad will be displayed on quality content, breed brand safety, and reach the right people faster and at lower ad spend. Okay. So what if you only started to search for industry channels for your ads placements and you don't have anything specific in mind just yet? In this case, you can perform the channel search here. This will allow you to search for niche-related channels by any keyword, country of YouTube search results, exclude the unwanted keyword from your search. I'll remove keyword free for that matter to eliminate channels that offer anything for free, like free courses perhaps. Define creation time, language if wanted, and then apply how you want to sort the list of results. By relevance, so same way YouTube pulls its results for selected keyword, upload date from newest to oldest, view count and rating from most to least viewed or live, title, so basically in alphabetical order, or by uploads count, so that can indicate channel's overall activity. Select results amount per search and hit the search button. So, okay, once we have the list of our results with channels pulled up on defined source, we can either check each of the channel's pages just by clicking on its name here, select any of the channels to export its data with URLs into a CSV file, import to any of your folders for further monitoring, or view its videos by selecting the Show Videos button here. Let's quickly do that and we'll see what this will bring us. So as you see, we are back to searching for videos on the channel. So let's search for all videos at first. There. From that point, we can also check this channel's monetized videos only if there are any. This channel has monetization on, we can double check that directly on YouTube. So yeah, the ad is on, as you can see. Again, you can sort the list with results from most to least viewed or by highest to lowest likes to dislikes ratio, so you'll be able to filter out results with positive viewers engagement and export selected videos to the ready file or into your folders. YouTube is a great place to advertise and build relationships with your target audience. So if you hesitate where to start, use tools that will help you choose the best placements for your advertising. This will allow you to not only reach your target audience faster and at lower cost, but also you'll be sure that your content isn't displayed within a negative context. That's it from me today. See you next time.